Oh, come on. Get back.
wanted to see.
Get back there and ride over this dumb rock.
You just ride over the rock.
No, ride over the rock. You just got to keep your pedals flat and ride over it. You can ride mountain bike longer than me. You can do it. Come on, I'm here. Come on. Roll.
And you're there to do what?
Catch you if you fall.
Yeah, you're so full of shit.
And who's there to take the picture of you falling? Come on.
Nah.
Yes! Oh, I'm 40 also, so shush. She's got to get speed. Okay, somebody else, come on. Coming back over. Go ahead. Come on, man. Speed and roll.
Come on, you can do it. There you go. There you go. Nice job.
Over the rock. Don't hit the brakes. Let the wheels roll over it. It's a 29er. You got more of an advantage than a 26er is.
Lean back.
Push your leg forward. And put all your weight on your pedal. Push your leg forward, put all your weight on the pedal, ride it through. No brakes, we'll catch you.